Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and ZIP archives with ZTE Axon 20. And to do this you will need to get the RAR app I showed you previously on how to download. Now let's open the RAR file that we have right here. Wait a bit till it loads. Then select each of the file you want to unpack and click on the arrow pointing up button to enter extraction options. You can customize them however you like. If you want to change the designation, click on browse and change it. So place it in a movies folder for example. Then when everything is ready, click on OK and the files should extract. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.